There's a lot of talk at the moment about the Great Resignation. Companies talking about their employees making choices to leave businesses and go in different directions. During any time where there's been a dislocation like the one we've just experienced, that's not surprising. Dislocations throughout history have meant major changes in the way workforces, people choose to do life. However, there's a number of things that we need to look at as companies and as people to help ourselves and others through this period of time. So at the moment, I've been having a look at organizations, and most of them are feeling overwhelmed and people are feeling tired. This is not surprising given what we've been facing for the last couple of years now. And we're not wired to be on alert and to be feeling the way we've been feeling for an extended period of time. The part of us that is there for fight or flight and responding to crisis is a very short-term mechanism. And when it is in play for a long period of time, it has a detrimental effect on our health. So there are a couple of things employers can do to create greater mental health within their organizations and hopefully help people to choose to stay. And there are things people can do for themselves. So for employers, there are a couple of things that people are looking for right now that will help them connect with the business and see their work with even healthier eyes. Number one is purpose. So what do we stand for? Above anything else, what are we bringing to the world? People are looking for that. That is a clear requirement in our data throughout the pandemic, that will be a part of engaging people. The second is creating trust and transparency. So as leaders, are your words and your actions matching? Do your actions actually create an environment where people feel psychologically safe and feel a sense of trust and belonging? Those two elements are things as organizations at every touch point, leadership discussions, communication, interventions of any type in the organization, in day-to-day meetings. Are you touching on purpose? Are you actually looking at the work through purpose, and are you creating trust? For individuals, the opportunity is to shift what we're seeing. Now, life has its challenges and it has its good bits, but when we start to look at just the challenges and what's going wrong, that maybe 20% of life that's not so great starts to look like 100%. So the practice of reflection and focusing on those things that we're grateful for, those things that actually tap into our optimism, that's what we can do as individuals to create even greater mental health. Take the time to reflect on those things that are good, those things that you're grateful for. Then that small 10 or 20% of the things we're not so happy about are far more manageable. I wish you the best of luck with it.